waste. Been here 23 years, never been used. G'day all, Mr. Wild here. Today I'm going to try and finish off cutting up this water tank, see if I can get it into quarters. We've got plans for this material, we've got plans for this spot. Now for the boring bit. There we go. That was interesting. So my hope is to get these off the ground now without damaging them too much. Because like I said, we've got a plan for this. We'll be down at the stables. Then once I get this off, we're ready to order our tank. Just got to prep the concrete, make sure it's to a standard that the tank suppliers say is good enough. That way we can have gravity fed water down to the shack and our future shelter. As you see, polypipe's the law, so we'll find a use for that. Maybe not for drinking water, but it'll come in handy for something. This is inside the tank. Not bad, eh? It's a shame, this was a firefighting tank. And you see, look at that. This is the insert. I don't know how that was meant to hold any water. So from what we understand is this has never held water. And you're looking at about, quick guess, around 100,000 litres, 90 of waste. Been here 23 years, never been used. So slab though, not too bad. Once these sides, all those are gone. Bonus, got a half decent ladder out of it as well. Yeah. Try and finish off